Yo, what's up, PIP N DIP family? I got a crazy GBP Chief trade breakdown for you guys. Super simple, same philosophy. I'm going to show you guys exactly how to catch over 20% on this one trade, and let's just get right into it. So, same thing as always, replay mode so you guys can see this with me live, right? So now we've got the break of Asian session, right? We just finished the Asian session, kind of waking out. Boom. Right there, we just broke the highs of Asian session. Now we're looking for a break of structure towards the downside. There it is. Boom. Doesn't get more simple than this. Here we go, right there. Break a structure down. Gonna switch to my lower time frames, try to find my order block. Here we go. That becomes my order block. Check the 1 minute, try to find something better. And can actually refine it down to this. Okay, here we go. Short position. Here we go. First target is going to be the lowest liquidity without breaking the session lows. So here we go right here. I have a couple things right there. There we go. Liquidity on the bottom. That's going to be our first target. We're going to keep looking down. And there's a lot of liquidity over there. And here's something that I want to point out on the higher time frame is look at this wick right here. So we can have another target if we break the session low. Look how deep this over here tanked. We had this wick over here. I mean, most likely we have a lower time frame order block that we need to play into here. So this could be another really good target, you know. And then look at this. So our limits are now set right there. Boom. Now we're tapped in. Okay, right there. You can look to scale in off of this right here. Maybe try to find one with a better wick on the bottom. Boom, right there. Scale in is entered. The short position would be right here. Let me set my targets down here. Boom, straight melt. So right there, that's a 1 to 10, and that's a 1 to 5. So already up 1 to 15. Lower it, keep finding these nice targets right here. Straight melt, and look, since we have this liquidity over here that we can target, a total of 79.7 pips. And check this out, it's a 1 to 35 and a 1 to 18. Boom, just like that, completely destroy that trade. 1 to 35, 1 to 18. Do the math, that's over 50 times your risk just off of being patient, looking at the supply we formed right here, and catching this insane trade off GBP Chief. This was NFP, so I mean it's definitely a riskier day to trade, but it just shows that if you stay true to the strategy, it works out no matter what. Like, this strategy offers crazy risk rewards with a really high win percentage. So I mean, even if you don't get that high win percentage, if you mess up at first, you'll still be profitable as long as you catch like one of these a week. But anyways, I hope you guys really enjoy this. Make sure you guys join the free chat because I call these trades every single day in my chat. Hope you guys are rocking with me. Love you, PIP N DIP family. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'm going to leave the free chat link in the description. Take care, guys.